All right, so we are going to see a really important SQL challenge. This is from the HackerRank website. It teaches us how to build powerful customized reports from your database. We'll work here with two tables. We'll learn how to join them, and case expression is also used. So a whole lot of learning will be coming out from this question, right? So this is of type medium difficulty. Let's see how we can do it. I'm going to choose MySQL as the query in which I would like to complete this. So we are given two tables, student and grades. Student contains three columns, ID, name, and marks. And grades contain the following data. Grade 1 would mean that the minimum marks is 0, maximum marks are 9, and so on. Now, the problem is that one person has given a task to generate a report containing three columns, name, grade, and marks. So, name and marks are in one, and grade is in another table. So, we can infer that we would have to join these tables in order to get our result. Now, Katie doesn't want the names of those students who receive a grade lower than B. So, we have to do something with regards to that. And the report must be in descending order by grade. Maybe we'll have to use order by. Higher grades are entered first. If there is more than one student with the same grade assigned to them, then order those particular students by their names alphabetically. Again, order by. Finally, if the grade is lower than 8, use null as their name and list them by their grades in descending order. So this is also another condition that we have. We have to list them by descending order, and those which are less than 8 should have null. If there is more than one student with the same grade, assign to them all of those particular students by their marks in ascending order. So let's start our problem. It's already given that we have these two tables, name, marks, ID, and grade. So those who are having more than 8, their names should be displayed. So here you can see an example wherein we have the names, and the names have to be displayed in descending order as mentioned in the question. So as you can see, higher grades are entered first. So if this is the example table, the highest one is scored by Maria, and she's the first the person that whose name is displayed. So first it starts with name, and then it's grade, and then in marks. So that is the order in which we have to produce the output. As you can see in the question itself, it is mentioned that that is how you want the report to be generated: name, grades, and marks. So there is some condition for the name. Only those names which are having grade more than 8 should be displayed. So let's start. We can use case expression in order to address this question. So let the two tables be displayed with alias AS. And as we already discussed that we would have to do an inner join on them. So let's do an inner join on them. And these are the two tables that we are going to have. Student S and grade students and grades, right? These are the aliases that I have. Now, you want the names to be displayed only if the grade is uh, more than 8. So we can have some condition like select case when g dot grade is greater than 7, because it is 8, 9, 10 are accepted. So when g dot grade is greater than 7, then s dot name has to be displayed. Else, don't display the name but enter the value null. All right. And after that, let's give this uh, case expression an alias. So and as, let's say names. This is the alias for this. So now we have names. Let's see what all we want. We want name. The report must contain three columns: names, grade, and marks. So grade can be displayed directly, g dot grades, and marks can also be displayed directly. This is the join that we have that we thought that we would be having. Now we would have to put this on some special join condition. The join condition here is s dot marks. You want to ensure that the marks that are present in table number 1 are corresponding to those that are present in the grades table, where s dot marks between min underscore mark. So all those tables are included between this one, between g dot min mark and g dot max underscore mark. All right. Now let's apply all the order by conditions that were given here. A host of conditions were given for us to look at. Let's see. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. So the first condition that was given was the report must be in descending order by grade. That is, higher grades are entered first. So we can ensure that this rule is followed by using order by. So order by grades are present in the table grades. G dot grade descending order. So D, yes, C. Let's see if we have some other conditions. If there is more than one student with the same grade, so once the grade is same, then order those students by their names alphabetically. So alphabetically would mean ascending. Now names are present in S, students, so S dot names, ASC. All right. And let's see if we have something else as well. If there is more than one student with the same grade assigned to them, order those particular students by their marks in ascending order. So if there is more than one student with the same grade, that is from 1 to 7, assign them by their marks in ascending order. So that would mean s dot marks. See. Let's hope that we did everything correct and try to run it. Oh, I think we did some mistake. G dot grades and field list. Okay, let me see this. Unknown column it says, so maybe this column name is a bit different. I think this is ordered by G dot what's the name? G dot grade. Just a moment. Right, so the mistake was here. The name of the column is grade. So it says unknown column. I need to change this one. And also the alias for name is names. So just names is enough. All right, that's our output. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.